Hey people of YouTube, I'm just gonna add a little bit more information to the Alfa OBD YouTube tuning information. Right now I'm getting these Spec D tuning tail lights, LED tail lights set up on my Ram 2500. And I'm assuming, I haven't tried them yet, but I'm just gonna assume that they need to be reprogrammed because the truck did not like it when I put these Alfa Rex LED headlights in the front. I had to go in with the Alfa OBD and turn the HID on, and then turn on, activate LEDs on for the parking brakes, or sorry, for the parking / marker lights, the DRLs, and the high beams and low beams. Now, granted, my lights worked fine with the high beams and low beams not on LED. You did need to have it on HID, but I just turned HID and LED on just to be sure that everything was set up right. But anyway, I digress. So back to using Alfa OBD MX, OBD Link MX Plus with your Ram 2500. Now, I saw a different video. He said that the MX Plus didn't work with Windows / Android, but I'm using it on Windows and everything seems fine. I think this is Windows 11 on this computer. All right, so that's what your icon looks like. Sorry, it's blurry. All right, click yes, you can make changes. That pops up every time for me. So it's loading the software. The truck is in the, the keys on. Truck is not running. And so what you're gonna do, if you've never connected it, so you're gonna select your vehicle type, so Ram, and then you would go down to select your truck, so 1500, 2500, we're on the 2500, and then I'm making changes to oh, interesting. So for some reason, this is highlighting 2019, where I'm 2018. I don't know when that moved. Hopefully we're all good. But we're gonna go back to 2018 since I have a 2018. Making changes to lights, so we want to be on the body computer. And then you click. So up here you can see. Oh, hold on, cancel. Alright, I've never canceled it before. So up here it says please wait. Usually it would say idle before you try connecting. Alright, well, let's try hitting connect again. So then what it's gonna do, pop up your Bluetooth options. I already added the OBD Link MX Plus to the Bluetooth functions on the laptop. So then you click that, click OK. Now you can see up here connecting on CAN. All right, and connected. Cool. So once it says connected, then you want to go to Active Diagnostics. And then from this menu, I got a little confused here and I didn't find good data online. Oh yeah, so down here it says connected to body module 2018-19. So I don't know, maybe that's why it switched to the 19, whatever. So I got a little confused here because there wasn't much like Windows software YouTube videos. And so you click this blank menu, right? That opens up a drop down. You want to take it basically all the way down to the bottom. Now, these are two very important things to know how to do. Before you start fucking around, everybody already knows this, but in case you don't, click Backup Vehicle Configuration to File. You want to save your config before you change anything to a file so you can revert back to it if you fuck stuff up. save that in a bunch of different places, you know, on Google Drive, email it to yourself, whatever. Anyway, so what we want right now, car configuration change. So select that. Now, then it opens up a new drop-down menu. You can type into this find setting and do a search. I was getting a little confused on it, you know, so I'm just scrolling. Just scroll down. It's gonna be somewhere in these CVC features. There's all your LED stuff. Okay, so let's see. I've already activated rear LED reverse lamps, LED stop lamps, LED rear turn lamps. I'm trying to think. I've done 2 or 3. I can't remember if I'm on rear turn lamps or tail lamps that I need to activate. Let's see. It should tell us when we click it. So like, select that. Rear turn lamps present. We're gonna want to turn it on. So you select the value yes, and then when you hit, the next thing you want to do is you hit start, but it doesn't actually apply the change. So it's gonna change this window. Sorry, it was crazy. And it tells you current status. Okay, so I already activated that function. Yeah, you'll see when we bring up the next function. So clicking on a function and selecting a value does not actually implement that change until you hit start over here. So we had done rear turn lamps present. So then the last of these 4 for the rear lights should be LED tail lamps present. So we're going to select the LED tail lamps present. We're going to select yes for turning them on. Now this won't make the change. It'll bring up this menu telling you the status of that function. Then you select next. You wait a few seconds. Procedure completed. Boom. Okay. Once procedure is completed, go over. I pulled this out for some reason. Close your software. Close the laptop because this battery sucks on it. Key is out. I leave that in. That's been no problem. And now I'm setting a 5-minute timer on my phone, and after the 5-minute timer is done, then the settings should hold. So hopefully there's a nugget in there that helps somebody, because man, I got helped by a lot of people, and sometimes it's just a very obscure comment or some image or something that helps you out. So if you have any questions, I guess leave a comment. It's not really working on trucks isn't really like my jam on YouTube, but like sometimes a little info is super helpful. So here we are. Cheers.